If you are tired of plain, boring suitcases, this vintage trunk luggage is about to completely upgrade your travel aesthetic. Crafted with handcrafted leather accents, retro metal corner guards, and sleek buckle straps, it gives you that luxury, old money European vibe wherever you go. But it is not just about the stunning looks. Inside, you get a thoughtfully designed multi-compartment interior with secure tie-down straps to keep everything neat and wrinkle-free. It features ultra-smooth, silent 360-degree spinner wheels, a heavy-duty telescoping handle, and integrated combination locks to keep your valuables safe on every journey. Whether you are heading out on a weekend getaway, taking photos for social media, or boarding an international flight, this suitcase turns heads at every airport. Level up your travel game and get yours today through the official Amazon link in the description below.